Recently, nag-team building kami sa Alfresco de Montañas, Antipolo. Malapit lang siya sa Mulong Highway, mga 10-minute walk from the highway. Private resort siya, maraming trees, plants, and flowers. Sarap mag-chill dito and Instagrammable tong lugar. Maraming photo spots. May swimming pool, karaoke, billiards, and playground for kids. From what I saw, they have a total of 4 rooms with single beds and double decks. All the rooms are air-conditioned. Okay naman yung mga bed and linens. May roof deck na overlooking. May parking area. May open space kung saan pwede ang mga simple activities. They also have a function hall pero di ko na na-check kasi hindi din naman namin ginamit. Gusto ko yung swimming pool, malinis, malaki din. Okay yung food, merienda, dinner, and breakfast. Mabait din ng mga staff. Just an FYI, hindi ako gumastos dito ha kasi work-related team building to. But if you wanna know the rates, please contact the resort directly. Bring your own towel and toiletries din pala. Overall, I love the place. Peaceful and quiet, malayo sa mga sasakyan, you're surrounded by trees, plants, and flowers. Super relaxing.